young entrepreneurs seeking global perspectives. And every day, I am humbled by how far that vision has come because of students like you. And I want to take a moment to recognize something important. Many of you are balancing jobs, families, and personal challenges, and still showing up to learn. That takes strength. That takes sacrifice. That takes incredible courage. Let no one ever underestimate the discipline it takes to succeed in an online program. You are doing something remarkable, and we see you, we respect you, and we are here to support you.
It's a pleasure to welcome you all to Amity Online Case Hackathon Finale, an event that truly celebrates innovation, problem solving, and the spirit of leadership. Today is not just another competition, it is the culmination of an incredible 1-month learning journey, a journey where each of you committed your time, energy, and creativity. Through on-campus sessions, online mentoring, and continuous guidance from our exceptional faculty, all of you learned, unlearned, refined ideas, pushed yourselves beyond comfort zones. And today, all of that hard work comes together. Events like these are an essential part of your learning experience at Amity Online because they take you beyond textbooks and classrooms into the world of real-time decision-making, teamwork, industry-aligned thinking, and strategic execution. At Amity Online, we believe that education must prepare you for the complexities of real world, and that learning should be lived, not just studied. So all the very best to each one of you. We are incredibly proud of you, and we can't wait to see the remarkable solutions that you have created today.
So we had 12 students presenting offline and 3 of us joining online. And I must say that the quality of analysis, creativity in problem solving, and clarity of thought demonstrated by each one of you has been truly remarkable. And your ability to approach complex business challenge with agility, collaboration, and strategic thinking reflects the very essence of what the future-ready leadership should look like. Congratulations to all our participants, and I look forward to seeing many more such inspiration, contributions from all of you in the future.
We received 235 plus entries from our learners as individuals and as group. Out of those, we selected those top 50 analysis, which actually were very, very good. And they will be given the certificate of participation. Now, out of those, we selected those 15 who can come here, present their solution to our judges, can face their questions, and understand the very crux of agile leadership. So all the very best to all the presenters who are here to present their solution.
Back in the institution as a judge at this prestigious event was amazing. The students who presented their case studies, they did really very well. The case study was really designed amazingly.
It was a wonderful experience. I was surprised to see the energy and creativity these young minds bring on stage. I have spent almost 15 years into design and innovation, and the touch of empathy and the sincere craftsmanship that these guys brought on the stage was truly phenomenal.
And really good efforts. Also, like I was also a previous alumni from Amity Online while doing my corporate job, and it was like really peace of mind for me. All the things were really smooth, and thank you so much, guys.
Today I am here to attend the case study hackathon which was organized at Amity Noida campus. It was truly an insightful experience. We had rigorous mentorship sessions throughout these past few weeks for sparking creativity, and I won the first prize, all thanks to the faculty members who were there to guide us on each and every step.
Today I came on campus to attend this case hackathon which was organized by Amity. We were given a company which was failing and we had to provide our solution to that. and I feel this will help me tackle real life problems. So Amity is not only teaching us things, but it's also teaching us how we can tackle real life challenges, how businesses deal with real problems.
I have participated in hackathon where 250 teams have been participated, and I got into a top 15 teams. And today I presented my hackathon and PPT on stage among the very special jury members, faculties.
Today in the case hackathon, we were given a topic to do our research, present our point of view, present our opinions, and how as a person, as a leading person in the future, to make us ready as well.
Best knowledge from the judges, as well as from all the panels, as well as from the students also. I could gain best out of it. I would like to thank Amity University Online for giving me this golden opportunity